Okay, welcome to today's market review and expectation. So for some months now, I've not been able to post any video on my channel. Um, I've been busy with personal life, and then I had to get things in order. All right. So as at now, everything seems to be okay, but my schedules are much tighter. Um, I had to relocate for some further studies and all that. Yeah. So let's head straight into the charts as I always do. Since I've not been able to do any video in the previous week, we head straight into the what I'm expecting to see in the coming week. That is from the 8th of November to Friday, 22nd of November. What I expect in the market, and then we take a look at what news to look out for, or what possible news, high impact news we have to look out for. Okay, so this is a dollar index, as I always start with, and for almost since September ending, we've been moving higher, or price has been trading higher on the dollar index, and I've been watching for some time. All right, so where we are now, okay, where we are, we've cleared these highs, and then we've taken out this particular high. I'm still favoring higher prices on the dollar index, and then I'm looking at price running this particular highs and this high, right? This high, and then that's high over there, and we try to move into this particular fair value gap, which has been already closed on this candle, but I expect price to trade into it once more and then clear this particular high and probably reach the middle of these two candles, right? These two lines, this particular line and then this particular line. Let's see. Fit. So somewhere around 108.82, right? Okay, so somewhere around this area is my target for price to reach. Okay, that's where I'm looking at for price to reach, probably in the coming week or the following week, if you're unable to reach there. If we are to drop lower before we target that particular low, I'm looking at just the high end of this particular candle right here. Okay, so I expect this small fair value gap to be filled in, okay, and then we can run higher. Otherwise, should price drop lower, I'm looking at the opening of this particular candle, this bullish order block. Okay, and then also comes with a fair value gap. Then we can tackle this particular high, as I've said. Okay, so what news to look out for? So this is the forex factory, and I've filtered for Japanese yen, euro, pound, and then the dollar. Okay, all other currencies I don't deal with them. So on Monday we have high impact news affecting the Japanese yen, and then the G20 meeting, that's the mid impact, which affects all currencies. Okay, and then ECB President Lagarde speaks, affecting the euro as well, mid impact. On Tuesday pound is going to have a high impact news at 10 a.m. Okay, that's the monetary policy report hearing. And at 3 p.m., there's going to be building permits to be released, and also the second day for the G20 meeting. On Wednesday, we have CPI for the pound at 7 a.m. Okay, and then ECB financial stability review, and then Lagarde also speaks. That's from at 9 and then 9 a.m. and then 1 p.m. respectively, all affecting the euro. Okay, and then at 3:30 p.m. crude oil inventory also to affect the dollar mid impact. Then Thursday, the same as on Monday, right? High impact affecting the Japanese yen. And unemployment claim at 1:30 p.m. affecting the dollar index, high impact. Also at 3:30, we have existing home sales and the fully fed manufacturing index to be released. All right, so on Friday, we have a number of high impact news. That's at 7 a.m. We have retail sales affecting the pound, and at 8:15 a.m. the Euro French Flash Manufacturing PMI, okay, affecting the Euro. And 8:30 a.m. we have German Flash Manufacturing PMI and then German Flash Service PMI, all affecting the Euro. And also ECB President Lagarde also speak on Friday. At 9 a.m. we have Flash Manufacturing PMI, then Flash Service PMI affecting the euro, and then at 9:30 we have Flash Manufacturing PMI, then Flash Service PMI affecting the pound. Okay, at 2:45 p.m. you have the Flash Manufacturing PMI affecting the dollar, and then Flash Service PMI also affecting the dollar. And then 3 p.m. we have revised UO and consumer sentiments mid impact. All right, so it looks like on Friday we're going to have lots of volatility to be injected into the market. So let's watch carefully and then we trade accordingly. Yeah, so let's stay safe.